This is breaking legal news. Donald Trump is reeling after a federal judge has dismissed 2 of his most important criminal prosecutions. And the real reason Trump lost these cases, it's a little silly, and it has something to do with this former Miss Colorado contestant, and we're going to get into that. But first, let's talk about the charges. This year, Trump ordered the criminal prosecution of New York Attorney General Letitia James. Trump accused her of mortgage fraud after she pursued and won civil fraud charges against him. The other case was against former FBI Director James Comey. He's been on Trump's shit list for a while. Trump accused him of lying to Congress after he declined to criminally prosecute Hillary Clinton, and because his FBI did investigate Donald Trump's concerning connections to Russia. But really, I think Trump is just jealous, because did you know this guy is 6'8"? Holy cow, he's huge. Anyway, both those cases were dismissed today, and the reason was because of her. Trump wanted to punish his personal enemies, but he could not find a legitimate U.S. prosecutor to do it for him, especially without sufficient evidence. And that is when Lindsay Halligan, a former insurance defense lawyer who's never actually done a criminal case, came into the picture. The defense teams of both Letitia James and James Comey have both challenged her appointment, saying it was improper, and judges agreed. And the improper appointment was even more obvious when Lindsay Halligan could not even get a proper indictment against the defendant. She messed that up. Now, these cases were dismissed without prejudice, which means that the government can bring charges again if they can find a properly appointed attorney with proper evidence who can get a correct indictment. But under this administration, apparently that's a lot to ask. So what do you think about these cases against Letitia James and James Comey? Do you think there's any validity to them? Do you think charges will be brought again? And hey, what do you think about the Trump's political prosecutions in the first place? Let me know your thoughts below, and be sure to follow to stay in the loop.